Good morning. Welcome to Parker Trucks in Brampton, Ontario, just off the 401 and the 410. You'll find our small but mighty Parts for Trucks location. Let's go inside and see what we have to offer. Step in through our front doors and you will be greeted by a clean, well-lit showroom with some of our most popular products on the shelf, such as DEF, cleaning chemicals, and Grote Lights. Looking for something in particular? Ask our team member. They will pick it from the warehouse. The team has combined over a century experience in the industry and will help you find the part you need. Speaking of warehouses, the Parker Trucks warehouse is nearly 10 times the size of the store. If we don't have the part on site, we can get it within 1 to 2 days, thanks to our regular deliveries from our distribution centers and our neighboring branches. Need it delivered? We got you covered. Our dedicated team of delivery drivers spend each day driving products to customers all over town and can deliver to you too. Just ask about it while you place your next order. Parker Trucks in Brampton might be small, but thanks to the support of our coast-to-coast team, we're able to provide the service that is second to none. Please, if you're driving by, stop in. Have a coffee, speak to one of our professionals. If you need help getting your truck back on the road, visit us at Parker Trucks in Brampton.